Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the situation update. Today is Tuesday. We're looking at the euro versus the pound mostly because we had a little bit of an event here yesterday. It's a move that we were waiting for. It's a move that we expected, and now it's time to pull the trigger. And of course, I'm referring to that 86.77 level that we have set as a trigger to jump on this one on its way south. Now I'm gonna dial it back a little bit just to keep you fully informed about how everything came about. You probably remember ever since late February, price had started to trade sideways, right? It did this type of formation, and we think it's basically it was making that one all the way down second, then all the way up, that's the third, and we think the breakdown here of 86.77 may suggest that price is on the move and is going to be building up that third leg going downwards. Now, up till late February, price was on a strong downside trend. Actually, check this out, leading to that sideways movement that I've just described. Right, late February, up until that point, price was on the downside. It was very consistent. I think it was like 3 months of just very steady and very consistent downside move. We don't think that's over. We do not think that's over. Actually, this sideways movement that I've described here when we were looking at the daily chart is what I believe to be a technical correction, a bit of a consolidation phase. So I would suggest focusing on that regardless of where price came from, because right now we're committed to a move that's going to hit back the lower area of that local sideways movement, right? For now, we're just playing out that back and forth exchange. Later on, we might we might get committed into a breakdown and a move that's going to take us all the way to 82.64, which is, by the way, our final destination, because we've been very involved with the euro pound throughout that downside trend. We were able to catch that move, and with that bearish conviction, we also said that we think price is going to end up at 82.64, right? It was just the timing. The timing is always very important, but for now, price seems to be trading sideways, and that could happen. I mean, that could last for quite some time, right? I can definitely see a situation where price is going to be continuing to trade sideways until it actually breaks down, or who knows, maybe it's going to break out, right? But right now, well, that's the bottom line, right? I'm getting there. Bottom line is we're activating the euro pound right after this video, pulling the trigger. And we're starting a quick bearish campaign that is aimed at 85.85. 0.8585, that's the target, right? It's not an ambitious target at all. It's just 90 pip. And like I said, it's a short-term cycle type of move that we're going to try to chase here. We think price, while it was on the downside last time, was going for that 85.85, but it missed it. Check this out. By a very tiny margin, a few pip, like literally 3 pip. It missed that area. It went back up. By the way, took the previous high. Even though it's hard to see, technically, take a look. Highest high, 87.20. And right there, highest high is 87.18. So by 2 pip, it managed to take that previous high. Now crossing below 86.77. Mind you, we had a few attempts, right? A few failed attempts already just in the last 7 days or so. So right now we think this is, this is significant, right? Price is breaking below 86.77. We're going to start small, kind of, testing the water. But if price will remain on the downside, it will not cross back above that level. We're going to start building up that position. We don't have a lot. I mean, I'm not sure how many opportunities we're going to have to build up that position. Price might go, with a single, stroke, and hit that 85, in a matter of a day. But we'll see how it goes. For now, we're launching that bearish campaign, aiming at Again, 90 pip, that's what we got in the pipeline here, and now we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, that's about that for Euro Pound. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us for the next one. We're going to be talking about the silver. See you then. Cheers.